A federal judge has denied the EPA's latest request to dismiss Flint water lawsuits. This is the third time the federal government has tried to escape legal responsibility for what the lawsuit claims was negligent oversight of the Flint water system. The EPA has failed to acknowledge its role in the crisis, even after the state and the city of Flint, along with private companies connected to the water crisis, settled litigation with Flint residents for $626 million. In her order, U.S. District Judge Linda Parker said there is sufficient evidence of the EPA's failure to properly respond to the Flint water crisis, and the agency has a duty to oversee the nation's drinking water, including Flint's water system. Judge Parker had a similar ruling in 2019 and says 6 years later, discovery had not produced significant new facts about the crisis or the EPA's role. In the lawsuit, Flint residents have claimed the Good Samaritan doctrine imposed a duty on the EPA to oversee the switch of the water crisis and intervene when the change resulted in water quality issues, including lead in the city's tap water. In her opinion, Judge Parker said despite receiving confirming information about the lack of corrosion control in April 2015, the EPA, quote, failed to intervene despite knowing that there was a high risk of lead in Flint's drinking water. And tragically, Flint residents continued to be poisoned with contaminated water for many more months before EPA reached an agreement with MDEQ in July 2015 to require the Flint water system to begin corrosion control treatment. Mid-Michigan Congresswoman Kristen McDonald-Rivet reacting to the judge's decision tonight, urging the EPA to settle this lawsuit right now. McDonald-Rivet saying, quote, the EPA failed to keep children and families safe during the water crisis. It is outrageous that a decade has passed without the EPA admitting its mistake and paying the citizens of Flint what they are owed.